Well, maybe take the classes. I want more experience with woodworking overall. I've dabbled with it, I've watched videos, but none of that really is as good as hands-on experience. So you can watch the videos all you want. You go out and you fumble through your garage, you cut yourself, or you mess your tools up, but when you come take the class, all that comes together. You have so many eureka moments by taking the class, and so many little things from the speed of router planes and what tools do what, and what tools you actually need or what you have too much. I mean, I have a whole Amazon wish list I send people for my birthday or Christmas for tools that I want to expand my experience with woodworking.
So this is our final project of the class, and I'm getting towards the finish line. I can see the finish line. I've got my drawer faces cut, and I've got the sides cut and dovetailed. I just need to cut the backs and the bottoms, and that's it. Really fit the drawers, and then put a nice French polish on it. It's taken hours. It's hard to tell. But I don't know, maybe a few months, twice a week. We made a plane, we made a cabinet as well. And at home I made a dining room table and also side tables, different pieces of furniture like that.
Work that's really not on the machines, it's all done by hand, which kind of, and when I get into the stuff like that, time just melts away. My favorite memory or my favorite experience is really working with Luke. He's really knowledgeable, and especially about things you wouldn't think he's knowledgeable about. He knows a lot about, he knows a lot about woodworking, but he knows a lot about other things too. This working with Luke is probably my favorite experience. For completion of the course, you get a certificate, and the certificate says you completed the course and you met the requirements of the class. Or if you're the top student in the class, you win a Lee Nielsen brass block plane. I feel proud because you spent so much time that all the knowledge you gained and all the experiences actually led to something that you can be proud of.